Miss Benin family, how you all doing? Oh my god, it's really beautiful out here today. It's Saturday morning. Don't mind my hair, yeah, it's quite rough. It's okay, I'm at home. I'm not going anywhere right now, rather I'm going to be working today. And I wanted to work on my garage because I've not done so for about maybe 5 months now. Yep. My son really messed up that place, very good mess, and I was so tired of working on it because I don't even know where to start from, right? So that's why I left it that long. Anyway, long story short, we are going to be doing this together today, and today my son is at home as today is Saturday, so we're gonna be doing it together, right? So let me teach him a little bit on how he can at least put all his toys together. Let's see how it's gonna work out, but let's get right into it as I show you where we are working today. Come with mommy. Come to the garage, toy room. Come. We're gonna open the door. Oh God, have mercy. Yay! Who messed this up? But this is not just you. We also contribute. These are all your toys, I know. And my shoes are right here because my wardrobe is pretty full right now. So guys, look at this. We are going to be doing this today. I know. So today you're going to be arranging your toys. I brought this for him so that we can arrange some of this. You got a remote control car? Yeah. Okay. I brought this from outside so we can park some we don't want inside there.
We don't race in the car. It's a red car. We race it.
Oh, it's a race car?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to walk with mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get the remote control on the red car.
You want to get the remote control? But we're not going to be playing, Mimi. We're going to walk. All right?
Oh.
All right. So
we're not working yet.
He said, sorry, we are not. He actually told me, sorry, we are not working yet. That means I'm here to play. I'm not here to work. All right. So let me start my work. All right. So first of all, I want to lock this door. And I want to start washing it up. I'll just quickly wash my dirty clothes.
Let me lock the door.
Domi, don't worry. Just stay here.
Wait.
I want to be seeing you. Come here.
Oh.
Domi.
Let me lock it.
Don't lock it. Nobody is going to open it for us. So he literally locked us outside, inside.
I lock it inside.
I told you not to do so, right?
Say yes to me.
No, I don't want to say yes because we're literally going to be inside here without
You have to put battery.
ventilator. How do you call it? Without air coming in. Unless I open these doors.
You gotta put batteries in there. Put batteries.
Just going to put the clothes in the washing machine and wrap up the washing and go back to my work, because if I didn't do it now, once I started working, I will not be able to do it. You know where I keep the cover?
What?
The cover of the soap? This one?
Where is it?
I don't know. Okay, let's do all that stuff, alright? So that we can move stuff outside.
Let me find it. Missing the
So guys,
pieces.
here you go.
Mommy, who was missing the pieces?
Okay, we will look for it soon, alright? So here you go guys. Just from here, to look at what I am going to be doing today. See all of this. I think I will be able to finish it today, but I need to start right now. So I just want to show you guys around. Over what? You see, he don't have space to play, and now he brought his toys to the sitting room. So that's why I want to arrange this place for him. I mean, we were supposed to be walking, right? Is this how you're going to help mommy to walk? This is not on camera.
It's a mess in here.
It's a mess in here? Who made the mess? Dominion made the mess. At least he agreed to make some of the mess. Alright, let's pick up these ones here. Alright, the hot wheel will be here.
The hot wheel.
Yeah. So all the lights, we just put it here. That's my point. Let's do it.
Let's clean up.
Let me just help me. You help me. Let's do it. Let me you want to put these ones here so you see where they are, right? Cover it. Now bring your hot wheel. These more ones. Put them here. Monster truck cannot go in there. Put hot wheel. Alright?
Hot wheel cars?
Yes.
Doesn't go in there. Let's use one. Let's use one go in.
See all these off here are in a hot wheel. Put them here.
No, let's not one
I mean, that is the new store right now. You have to put them in, all of them. That's my point. Now you understand? Okay guys, at this point it's been 3 hours of arranging this garage, so I had to go back to the backyard to pick up my what's it called, ladder, so that I can be able to take down those stuff on the cupboard. But you guys know I'm very tall, so now I'm selecting those things that I'm going to be taking out of garage and trying to arrange his toys. There's still a lot of toys, so everywhere is so messed up, guys. As first I don't even know where to start from, but as time goes, but I begin to find the face. So I just sweep that place, I arrange those jar and keep it nice and clean. So I can't just pick up those toys anymore. I have to use a broom to sweep it because it's quicker for me to gather it in one area. So those paint gallons, I'm taking them out. This theater, I couldn't take it because it was so heavy. Yeah guys, we are doing pretty well. It's been a long time here, and I just hope I'm able to at least do something for him to have space to play. That's what I care about. I'm taking all these things out, so I'm gonna arrange my brooms somewhere. And he is busy. Instead of him to join me, he's busy creating his Hot Wheel trail. Anyway, yes guys, that's boys for you. So I'm just gonna sweep them together so it'll be easy for me to pack, because I cannot even select them. I'm just going to put it in one place, as you know, just like as I'm doing it right now. I don't have the time to select it. You can see I'm sitting down, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I don't even know. And now he's telling me what to do about his toy, how to arrange his toy. At some point he just threw the toy down again and said, no, you have to select it, you have to put the Hot Wheel here. So I'm done taking out the toys from the floor. Now I'm sweeping it thoroughly so that it will be clean. Yeah, after this I'm just going to dry those clothes I washed earlier, and I am pretty much done for today. Is 5 good hours, guys. You won't believe it. It's 5 hours job today. Yeah, I'm going out to rest and eat, bath, you know, have fun. So, do you like your new garage?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show them around. All right, so guys, my main goal is to clear the floor so that he will,
It's a new phone.
yeah, so that he will have space to play. So let me show you what I did here in the garage. You want to show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's.
So here, all this, we have to take it out because my son pour milk to eat. So we take all of this out. There's space for him to play now, right? You have enough space, right? I'm taking that up, but I need to lock the door of the garage first so I can put it there. So aside that, I'm done for today.
Mama, I got it.
You got me water? Yeah? Are you scared?
I did not.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we're done for today. Alright, so bye-bye.
Bye.
So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. You need to subscribe.
It says subscribe. It said thank you for watching. Subscribe. Did you hear my son? Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh, mommy.
Hmm?
Mommy, where's the baking soda?
The baking soda?